In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a fishing license in Dubai. To get started, head over to environment.dm.gov.ae. Then next is use the search button. Then just type in fishing license. Then click on permit for recreational line and hook fishing. Now from here, just click on the apply now button. You will be prompted to log in to an account. Then once you're logged in, you can basically start your application. Just follow all the on-screen prompts. You might be asked to provide your personal information and importantly, of course, your proof of residence in Dubai. It's important to show you actually live in Dubai. You might also be asked to upload the required documents, and that includes proof of residence. And if you have a boat or plan to fish from a boat, you'll need to provide boat, wharf, or port detail. But if you're just shore or line and hook fishing, the residence proof is key. Once done, simply submit your application. The license costs nothing, it's free. Processing typically takes a few working days, after which you'll receive your license electronically. And once approved, you'll then get a digital recreational fishing license. Download or print it and always carry it when fishing. Just a reminder that your license is valid only for line and hook fishing. Fishing is prohibited for some areas like swimming zones, protected areas, shipping lanes, or using nets or traps remains forbidden. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!